Are we gonna stay here?
Ano kami sa
Where?
galing kami nag-strolling sa island to island. So, it was a great day. We're gonna spend time the whole day in the beach. So, with my family. And enjoy guys watching. You must visit this place. It's really nice. It's not crowded and
So pretty.
it's a pretty day to having a great time with the family and friends.
Huh?
Close to your neighbors.
No? Oh. Right here. Oh, then you can touch it. You can egg in it. He's moving.
Ayan si Mami Aini. Ayan. Hindi sana ako maligo dyan pero kasi nga nakabihis na ako. Ayan. Kasi tinuturo nila yung football or yung bola. So, ayun. Nakisawsaw na din ako. Ayan guys. Ayan si Luke, nag-enjoy naman din siya sa beach. Yung anak kong lalaki, yung panganay ko, ano lang, kumukuha siya ng mga pictures, kaya busy siya. Never siyang naligo din. Ano lang, nagwa-watch lang siya sa amin. Hindi siya nag-enjoy talaga. Alam nyo natin, ager, di ba? Hope you guys have a great day. Bye. Thank you, Lord, for the family restoration. Bye-bye.